Welcome to 4518 North Kedzie, an elevator building, wide hallways, looks like a little European hotel, only 6 units per floor. And we're walking into the kitchen area here. And check out all the counter space, tons of cabinets, fridge and freezer side by side with ice and water in the door, microwave and stove, dishwasher of course, and disposal in the sink. And right by the entrance, away from all the other spaces, is the most important door. Yes, it's the washer dryer. The next door on the left is furnace and hot water, and this door is some storage. We're walking into the first bathroom, jacuzzi tub. In fact, both bathrooms have jacuzzi tubs, so you'll feel real comfy here. As we turn the corner, we're going into the first bedroom. This one is lofted because it doesn't have a window. Makes for a great den, office space, weekend guests, whatever it happens to be. Back out to the hallway, and we're walking by the coat closet and into the living room. Fireplace is decorative, a nice size space, great west exposure with a balcony. And in fact, this is one of 2 balconies. Parking, you can see, is down below, if that's something you would like. The second balcony here is off the principal bedroom. Let's go back inside. And we're gonna head over towards the first door on the left here, which is the principal bedroom. Check out how big this is. Tons of room for a king-size bed and much more. This is the second balcony. And now looking back at this large bedroom, closet at the end. And we're gonna walk right by the entrance to the principal suite. And we're going to go into the master bath. How's that for a big jacuzzi tub? Separate shower. So that's 4518 North Kedzie, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Conveniently located just a block and a half from the Brown Line. Lots of restaurants in the area, great walking area. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 or check out the website, 4518kedzie.com. But we look forward to showing it to you. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.